guys, what's up? I'm here with Beautyforever here today once more. Same packaging like last time. I got the wig here. I actually got some more stuff than normal since recent times in this package. So I got this wig cap. Oh, I got a bonnet. Oh, that's nice. I also got a headband. And I got like a bag here, branded Beautyforever drawstring. It's perfect for storage. So yeah. So this hair right here is like a loose curly, and it's really nice. It's really soft. That's one thing I noticed right off the bat. I'm running my fingers through that and I'm not getting it. Well, yes, I got a couple strands. Don't know if you can pick that up. See again. Oh yes, I'm getting minimal shedding. Straight out of the package, I definitely got shedding. This hair is pre-plucked. I love the way the hairline looks. Definitely has a nice graduation in the front. So yeah, this is a full-on 13x4 lace front. It has a total of 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and it's a medium brown lace. So yeah, that's how that looks. It's a nice loose wavy hair. It's really nice, really not too tight. This is 16 inches long. I'm going to put the density and everything in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. The direct link to it, all that good stuff. I'm gonna jump on into applying this because I'm going on the road today, and this is gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna get cute with this. So let's go ahead and jump on into that. That I'm not gonna do any baby hairs today, so I'm just gonna make the parting a little bit more visible. and I'm gonna go through the hair with some mousse and, you know, some water. I don't want to get it super, like, it's gonna be damp for the initial portion, but it's gonna get back its volume after a while. So yeah, I really didn't want to do any baby hair today. I just wanted that nice pullback because the lace is so nice too. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Guys, this is pretty much it for this install. It was so quick and easy for me. I don't know if it's because I work with curly textures like so often, but I did not, not doing any like swoops or anything really cut down the time. As you saw, I just, you know, kind of use my mousse, some water, and got it nice and juicy, and that's pretty much it. I did a regular, you know, got to be spray install, and that's that. I pronounced the parting with some concealer, and it just looks effortless, you know, effortless. You could style this up too. Like right now, I really feel like I'd put one of my headbands around it because I like that style, like a bandana. And yeah, Beautyforever hair. Yes, you came through, and I like how loose and soft and silky the curls feel. It's a nice blunt kind of vibe to it, so that's a plus. I'm going to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. You can go ahead and get it for yourself. Also, you don't know, some come, these wigs are the vibes, honestly. These textures can't go wrong. And I keep on saying this to you guys like every time I get a wig. Like, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. More videos coming up as usual. Go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE DIVINITI. 2 vlogs over there every single week. It might even be more sometimes, but definitely 2 vlogs for sure. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys for sticking around. Like this video if it was informative, if you're gonna get a wig, if you just like look, if you're just supporting. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.